90% of business data lives in databases, but most analysts only know spreadsheets. Connecting Excel to your database eliminates manual exports and gives you live data access. ODBC drivers let Excel talk to SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, and more. I'll walk through installing the driver, configuring the connection string, and saving credentials securely. Power Query's database connector lets you browse tables, preview data, and write custom SQL queries in a visual editor. Selected data loads into Excel as a refreshable table. Basic select, where, group by, and join queries let you pull exactly the data you need instead of importing entire tables. I teach the 4 SQL statements every Excel user should know. I connect Excel to a sample database, write 3 queries of increasing complexity, and build a pivot table on top of the live database connection. The data refreshes with 1 click. Once you connect Excel to your database, you'll never manually export CSVs again. Subscribe for more data integration tutorials.